U.S. stocks rose after 4 days of losses on Thursday, while the euro pulled away from recent lows as investor appetite for riskier assets increased after jobless benefit claims in the world's largest economy fell to their lowest in more than 4 years. European equities, which had started the day on the defensive, and commodities such as crude oil also benefited from the upbeat jobless claims report. The data plays to the tune that the prior decline in claims is not a fluke, and that U.S. labor conditions are if anything improving, said Alan. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Ruskin, head of G10 FX strategy, at Deutsche Bank in New York. Nothing here to depress the better start for risk today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJI) gained 0.4%, to 13,397.40, while the Standard & Poor's 500 index rose to 1,441.44 points. SPX, up 0.6%, its first gain in 5 days. The Nasdaq Composite Index (IXIC) also advanced, climbing 0.7% to 3,073.79 points. In the currency market, the euro was the primary beneficiary of improved market sentiment, as it pulled away from a more than 1-week low. It was last. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. At $1.2948, up 0.6%, rising for the first time in 4 days. Spanish bond yields, however, rose to near the critical 6.0% mark after a heavy credit downgrade of Spain from ratings firm Standard & Poor's, although hopes it could help persuade Madrid to take the bailout partly supported European stocks, analysts said. S&P cut Spain's rating to notches to BB-, one step from junk status, late on Wednesday, warning that an intensifying recession and poor response from Eurozone policymakers to the crisis had left Spain highly vulnerable. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Markets expect Spain to be the first of the Eurozone's big four economies to require a rescue package. Spanish bonds fell, with 10-year yields rising to 5.85%, edging back towards the 6.0% level that economists see as too expensive to sustain. We are working on the assumption that Spain will make a request for aid, and so the only uncertainty comes from pinning down exactly when that will occur, said Nick Matthews, senior European economist at Nomura in London. European equities. Pan-European equities swung back. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Into positive territory by mid-morning on hopes the S&P downgrade, and calls from the head of the IMF, Christine Lagarde, for urgent action, would shepherd Spain into an aid request and pave the way for the ECB to buy its bonds. Lagarde said in Tokyo that political wrangling was adding to global economic uncertainty and prodded the world's rich countries to take swifter action as Europe's debt crisis drags on. The Euro STOXX 50. STOXX 50, which has lost 3.0% since the start of the week, clawed back from early morning falls. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Germany's DAX. France's CAC.FCHI